In today's video, I'll show you how to install the glow plug relay. First, set the relay in position, and then take one screw and tighten the upper one by hand. After that, proceed to the second one. Don't do what I just did unless you have something like this to catch it. After you install the bottom screw, take the 10mm spanner and tighten it until you feel by hand that it is enough. Don't tighten too hard because you risk causing future damage. Now you need to install the plug housing. First, install the big housing and push until you hear the clicks. Then, install the small housing. Set the intercooler hose back in position and push until you hear it click. Take the intercooler plug housing sensor and press it down gently until you hear it click. Job done. Thank you for watching.